Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the chapter of accounting process. In that I am going to give a quick overview of accounting standards, what they mean, why they are important and how the system works. So before watching this video, check out my previous one. It will give you a clear understanding of today's topic. So let's begin. Here the meaning of accounting standards are which is written guidelines issued by the Accounting Standard Board. Okay, so accounting standard guidelines are issued by Accounting Standard Board, acronym of ASB, under ICAI, that tells business how to record, classify and present their financial transactions. They ensure that financial statements are consistent, comparable and transparent. So overall, in simple terms, accounting standards are rules that guide how companies should prepare their financial statement. They guide the companies to prepare their financial statement, which account they have to follow and all. So this is the meaning of accounting standards. And the second one is important accounting standard. So these are the importance of accounting standards: disclosure of accounting policies, valuation of inventories, cash flow statement, depreciation accounting, revenue recognition, property, plant and equipment. These are the important of accounting standard. Here the number one is accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Disclosure of accounting policies means companies must clearly tell which accounting method they used. Example, if they value stock using first in first out or average cost, they must mention it. Every company must have to mention which accounting they are following, which accounting method they are following. Okay? So, and the next one is accounting standard 2, that is valuation of inventories. So valuation of inventory tells how to calculate the value of inventory, that is stock. So here, like for example, stock must be valued at cost or market price, whichever is lower. Okay, so it's called valuation of inventories. And the accounting standard 3, that is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement means companies must show where cash came from and where it went. For example, cash from business, investing and financing must be shown separately. This is called cash flow statement. Like the company from where it get the cash and where the cash is went, we have to mention everything in separately. It's called cash flow statement. And the second one is depreciation accounting. Depreciation accounting tells how to calculate loss of value of assets over time. For example, machines lose value every year. These rules tells how to record that loss. So it's called, and this is the one of the example of depreciation accounting. Depreciation accounting means it tells like how to calculate the loss of value assets over time. And the next one is revenue recognition. Revenue recognition. So it explains when a company should record revenue. For example, revenue is recorded when work is done, not when cash is received. Okay, so it's called revenue recognition. And the accounting standard 10, that is property, plant and the equipment. Property, plant and equipment tells how to record and show long-term assets like buildings, machinery, vehicles, etc. Okay, example like it explains cost, depreciation, repairs and revaluation of assets. So It is the example of property, plant and equipment, and which tells about how to record and show long-term assets. Okay, so these are the important of accounting standard. And the next one is accounting system. There are two major accounting systems are there. One is single entry system and the second one is the double entry system. Single entry system means it is an incomplete record. There is no scientific data, and this is especially used by the small businesses. And the double entry system means every transaction has a two aspects, that is debit aspect and the credit aspect. So it is a scientific and accurate way, and it is used by all modern business. Okay, so it's called a double entry system. Okay, that's all. Today we learn what's the accounting standard, meaning, importance of accounting standard. In the importance of accounting standard, that include disclosure of accounting policy, valuation of inventories, cash flow statement, depreciation accounting, revenue recognition, property, plant and equipment with example, and then accounting system, that is single entry and the double entry. So yeah, that's all for today's class. Alright, then if you have any doubts or questions, you can always ask in comment, and you can also follow my Instagram account, that is AlanAcademy01, which is mentioned in caption, and send me a DM anytime. I will answer for sure, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.